Hope you're doing well wherever you're watching me from. Mercy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, we are making some hard chicken. See, like that free-range chicken that's always very organic, just roaming out there, no antibiotics, all natural foods. That's the kind of chicken we are cooking today. And guess what? I am unboxing a gift from a very special friend of mine. He bought me our new cutting board. Do you have those such type of friends? Yes, I love those type of friends. They just, randomly gift you with gifts. So I was gifted a cutting board. It's a very nice cutting board, very heavy. You can use your cutting board to make a charcuterie board. You can use it for cutting your stuff. But for us today, I will use it for cutting my chicken. It's made in Italy. And guess what? He gave me a list of instructions of how I should care for my board. Yeah, this here very well in a paper that I can't lose the instruction. So this is very special. So apparently it says the wash, you're not putting it in the dishwasher, you just hand wash and let it dry. And then not putting it in the dishwasher, you just hand wash and let it dry. And then you're supposed to oil your cutting board. Your board is set to last forever. So you'll be seeing this board a lot in most of my cooking videos, but I'm gonna be using it for meats. And if I have guests, I'll make charcuterie boards up here where you add your cheese, your crackers, your fruits. But definitely, I am keeping these instructions, so when I forget, I will just get my instructions and oil my board. So we'll just rinse it off, and we'll start cutting off our meat. So nothing much. Just a rinse. Seems like I am boiling my meat. Oh wow, it even has a label. Oh my goodness. Legnard, Italy. Yeah, we are cooking with an Italian mode. How about that? So here we have our chicken. So this chicken, I normally go to the farms and get my chicken from there. They're very much organic. Hard bones, like really hard bones. So we're gonna cut the chicken together and I will show you how exactly I cut up my chicken. So this is the leg, the thigh. All you need for this exercise is your cutting board. And the African in me, you just use a little bit of your muscle. See? Bring it all together. You have to separate the leg and the thigh, the drumsticks. Huh? That's what I hear them calling it, the drumstick. So this is how I cut up my chicken, and whatever part doesn't come up, I have my chicken scissors, which is also faster. So I normally use both. So this is our pot where we dump in our chicken. And I normally process this chicken myself. Yeah, I want to know what I'm putting in my body. So I'll buy my chicken, come clean it. So I did all the work from slaughtering, defeathering. Yeah, is it defeathering or deplacking? Yeah, the English that they use. You remove the feathers. Let me put it in layman's language. Remove the feathers, and then we cut our chicken. So that's how we're gonna do it. And then here. Oh, it's hard. It's really hard. No, this one will boil it like that. We're stressing about nothing. Yes. Yeah. Like that. The wings are gone. See, that's why you need your apron when you're doing this kind of exercise. And just like that, the chicken is done. My pot. And we are just going to boil it with what do we call it? Ginger. Just dump it in there. I just want the flavor of ginger in here. Just grate some pieces and then the rest we leave there. And then some garlic, of course. We'll do, this is rosemary. So this is the rosemary from my garden. So during summer or spring, I'll just plant rosemary. Then I will, rosemary. And then I dehydrate it. I have a dehydrating machine. And then I keep it for future. So I don't buy spices. I make my own. And that's how we do it. Our chicken is ready for the boiling part. Just add some generous amount of water, because guess what? That water we are going to be using it as our chicken broth. That's why I like my hard chicken, because I make good use of this broth. So instead of adding water in my soups, I will use this broth. Yeah, and like that we are. Oh, what did I do, Martin? I wash my hands with soap. That part is done. Yeah.
Ba ba da ba da ba da ba ba.